Alright everybody, today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be fixing my handbrake on my car because the thing broke. This is broken down here inside. Not sure if you can see. See? Handbrake has no effect. It does not stay in place and the car is not braking, and that thing is broken over there, which attaches to this. And so, you see, I'm gonna try and fix this. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and jack up the car from the side so that I can reach the underneath of the handbrake. Okay, so now I got the car jacked up from the front to the back. It's not really jacked up, but I got a stack of wood there. And I got these ones here, and hopefully I'll be able to reach the handbrake system underneath the car. Probably I'll have to pull the exhaust out, I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna check. Let me see. Sorry about this. Okay, I'm gonna have to remove these ones because they are, I'm not sure if you can see, so I gotta remove this heat shielding from off here and got this one here and stuff, so that then I'll be able, I got another one here, got a nut here, and another one here. It's tricky to record here underneath the car, so I'm zooming in without, not that I want it, just press the button. So I'm gonna have to remove these shieldings in order to be able to reach the handbrake. And there's no way, I gotta pull the exhaust out. God, this is tricky. Okay guys, now I've pulled the exhaust out. Now I'm gonna pull these heat shieldings out, these two. I gotta undo those bolts, those nuts, and pull those two heat shieldings out to reach the handbrake system, okay? So I pulled the heat shielding out. Now I got here the system for the handbrake, and this is for the gearbox on this side. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo these two nuts from the inside, and I gotta pull this one out, get the cables loose in order to be able to pull this whole part out, to then be able to solder it. Okay, this is the part broken. Now I'm pulling the bolts out on this side. This one was here and it is broken, as you see, and now I got another one there in the back that I'm gonna try and pull out to pull this whole thing out of there. Okay, so this is what's going on. I got one bolt here on the back of the carpet which I cannot reach. I don't want to cut the carpet even though it's old, so I pulled the seat out. And I also got from this switch for the parking brake, I think I have a bad contact somewhere down here, because sometimes the light turns on even if I'm not pulling the brake. So I'm gonna take the advantage that I'm messing up with this shit, and I'm gonna try and fix that as well. I'm gonna lift this whole cover from this side to that side, and I still have to remove this one for the safety belt. Good thing there are plenty of things to remove, and I'm gonna try and see what's wrong with that wire. Okay, Okay, I've pulled the rubber out, and now there are these clips all around. You gotta pull those out in order to be able to lift the carpet. And that's how you do it. Okay, so I got here the parts. This is what's broken. It fits here. I'm gonna try and weld it in place. And after that, just fit it to the car. Should be easy. Now the tricky part is to tack it in place first. I gotta find a position. Where it stays in place.
Se tivesse um grom, prendias com um grom.
Okay. I'm trying to tack weld the thing in place. And I guess it is more or less in place. Now I'm gonna try and weld it good. Okay, so this is what I end up with. I've welded the part. It's not the prettiest thing ever. This side there's not a lot of room to grind, but hopefully it will work. And I got it. It completely locks and completely opens, so I put this blob on the back, which should reinforce. Now I'm gonna install it back to the car, and let's see how it works. You feed it through the carpet, push the rubber cover into place, And then we got the brake more or less in place. Now I'm gonna use here 2 washers underneath each one, and I gotta lift the carpet up. Era estes. Era estes.
Era um que tinha metido a porca.
Oh, pois é. Não os bons. The tricky part again. I'm gonna place 1 washer here, and I'm gonna put, this one is a bit worn out, but it will do. I'm gonna put the bolt, and on the back I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put 1 washer. Why am I placing washers? Because the bracket is getting a bit worn out. So I'm installing washers. Now I gotta do this from the underneath.
A porca caiu para baixo, não foi?
A outra deve ter caído.
Queres que segure com o foguete em cima para...
I'm gonna try. Tighten this one into place. First this one here in the front, and then I'll do the one. Then I'll do the one in the back. Okay, now I gotta go underneath. Okay, and from the underneath, this is how it looks. Focus. See, got this one here, and got one in the back, which I'm going to place right now. Começa a apertar o de trás. Aperta. Okay, my brother is helping me on the upper side, on the inside. Não, tens que apertar aqui para a porca começar a pegar. E então depois aperta para ela pegar. Dá-lhe, sempre. Aperta um pedaço. Vai, dá-lhe. Isso. Aperta sempre. Espera assim um bocadinho. Okay, I got the thing installed. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fit this part, which goes into the cables like this. The cables go through these holes, one on each side. See? And then, oh shit, I put it the wrong way. It goes like this through the cables, and then you hold it like this and pull it back, and that's it. And then you tighten this one down. The more you tighten the thing, the more the brake will be sharp. You don't want to over tight it to the point that then you cannot get your car free to roll. So now I'm just gonna tighten this one with a wrench, and it will be more or less this. Okay, I got the thing fixed. Everything was installed properly. If I get my car out of gear, starts moving, pull it, it stays. It's working. So now I'm just gonna assemble back all the stuff. Underneath everything's done. Here you can see how I've welded the thing. It stays inside the carpet and all bolts in place. We got handbrake again.